Hello everyone and welcome back. My name's Frank and I'm glad that you're here. In this video, which is a short video, I'm going to show you how we can convert PDFs into Word documents. 3 ways actually, they're all very quick. How I can convert a Word document back into a PDF, which is built right into the software. And stick around to the end of the video because I'm going to show you how I incorporate this into a workflow that involves PowerPoint as well. So we're going to talk about moving formats around, making sure that we have that data in a way that we need it so that we can present it, so that we can edit it, so that we can work with it, and so that we can share it with others. Let's go have a look. Here you can see I've got 4 PDF documents, and I'm going to go through 4 different conversions just to show you a little bit of the variety of how it works with Word. So I'm going to open up Word. And we have 4 different PDF documents. I've chosen these 4 for specific reasons. First of all, you'll notice the icon I have, they're PDFs. That's because I have Adobe Acrobat on here. And if I go into the first one here, it'll open up with Adobe Acrobat. You can see I've got a title, a graphic, and some text. Let's see how I can convert that. It's simple. Just drag it right in. And when you drag it into Word, it'll say that Word's now going to convert the PDF. I'll say OK to this. And you'll see that I now have a converted PDF in here. Now, depending on the PDF, it might give me a message saying that, do you want to enable editing? In which case I'd say yes. Very simple, easy to do. Let's go back to our home screen here. Now let's take this newsletter. So this is a newsletter document. This is a college newsletter. It's a PDF. You can see I've opened it up with Adobe Acrobat. Let's drag that into Word. It'll drag it into Word. Once again, it'll want to go through and convert it. And it's going to do a fairly good job of converting this document, if I scroll down, because this actually came from a Word template. I took it from Word, made a PDF out of it. So that's going to be fairly good, but you saw there was a little bit of blank space I might have to clean up. Now this backpacking checklist, very good, got this from REI, and you can see I've got a number of more complexity to this particular PDF. Let's drag that into Word. So I'll drag that in. And you'll notice again the conversion utility wants to convert it. Now it's not as clean. So you can see that I have to probably clean this up a little bit, but it is editable. I can go in and I can make changes to this, but it's not as clean because this is a true PDF that I grabbed and it's not always super nice. This one here is a very complex PDF. This one here is actually a map of the West Coast Trail. And if I go and try to convert this one, Word's basically going to say, it's been nice knowing you, but there's no way that I can convert that. There's too much graphics on there. There's too much text on there. So it's trying in the background, but it's going to come back as having failed. Now, I did mention that there were 3 ways that we could open documents. So the first is just by dragging it onto Word. That's the easiest. Right click and go into Open With. Now, you'll notice I have default applications for Adobe Documents, but I can choose another app. And I could scroll all the way down, choose for more apps, and scroll all the way down to Word, choose Word, and say OK, and it'll open up that document in Word. So that's another way of doing it by using the right click and say Open With. And the other way, let's close this document down. The other way I could do that is go into File. I could say Open. I could browse to the location that I want. So we'll go into this PC. We'll go to the desktop, which is not really where you should be going. But I store everything on my desktop in this case for this particular video. So I go into the desktop here and I can search for all files. I'll grab that hike file and you can see I can open it up in Word by using Word to go and open the file wherever it may be located. And there we go, it's opened up in Word. Now, I did mention as well, if I have something like PowerPoint open, I can also take what's in this Word document and quickly put that into PowerPoint, which is super handy as well. So one of the main reasons that you might want to convert a PDF into Word is to use it as a bit of an intermediary between the PDF and PowerPoint. So for example, I've now opened PowerPoint. If I try to drag that PDF here, PowerPoint can't open this type of file. I'll say OK to that. But Word certainly could. And then I can just grab this particular element. I could go into a new PowerPoint and we could paste that in. So obviously it's not a very nice PowerPoint. Oh, that's actually pretty good. So there we can go. We can create a nice little PowerPoint out of that PDF and some of the documents that are part or elements that are part of that PDF by opening it first in Word and then bringing it into PowerPoint so that I can then manipulate it and do all sorts of cool things with it. Thanks so much for watching. I really hope that was useful. Hit the like button, share, subscribe, all the good YouTube-y things, especially the like button because that really helps the algorithm and helps other people find the videos. So here's some other videos that you might be interested in, and stick around for more tips through a subscription. Talk to you later. Bye.